Imagine an exhibition stand that flexes and adapts to your exhibition space. That's the ISOframe Wave. Compact and easy to transport, the ISOframe Wave is the perfect self-build exhibition stand for regular exhibitors. The patented FlexiLink allows the system to adapt into any shell scheme or freestanding floor space. Create your entire graphic wall using this lightweight system, which simply links together, allowing you to add or remove panels and to add in modular accessories. But it's the patented FlexiLink that makes it truly special. These ingenious flexible beams allow you to move and mold the stand into whatever shape you want, perfectly fitting into the space you have, whilst ensuring your graphics stay aligned. Do you want a media screen, shelving, a store cupboard? Do you need to change the layout? No problem. Change the size, change the shape, change the accessories, change the message. The ISOframe Wave has everything you need for exhibitions and trade shows alike. We told you that this one was a little bit special. This is the ISOframe Wave. This is intelligent exhibiting.